How did I pack my camera gear for airline travel and shifted my entire studio from India to Spain? Hey, it's Kunal, commercial liquid and product photographer. And as some of you might know from my Instagram that we have recently shifted countries. So basically we have moved from New Delhi, India to Barcelona, Spain now. And being a commercial photographer, I had to shift my entire studio equipment from one country to another. So in this video, I'll try and share my entire experience of how I sorted our move and shifted my equipment from New Delhi to Barcelona. Right, so basically I divided my entire studio equipment into three main categories. The first category was all the equipment that was required to be shipped along with our household stuff. The second category was the equipment that was needed to be checked in on an airplane, and the third that I was carrying with me in the hand baggage. So, all the heavy duty stuff that you see in a studio, like the heavy tripods, light stands, lights, modifiers, backdrops, surfaces, glass aquariums, glass tanks, IMAX, all the RAID backup solutions. So everything in a studio apart from the cameras and lenses was shipped along with our household stuff. It was all packed up nicely, and I'm hoping that all those items would reach me in a good condition. So now moving on to the stuff that was checked in on an airplane. Okay, so let's start with this rucksack first. And although in this trip I didn't carry any of my studio equipment in this rucksack, but in most of my trips to Europe I use this bag for carrying my camera gear and all the other stuff that I carry on a trip. And this is big enough to carry the camera cube and to accommodate this heavy duty tripod as well. As you can see, this easily fits in the bag. And the best thing about this rucksack is that the front completely opens up like this, and now I have access to the entire bag from the front itself. So I use these packing cubes to pack all that I need on a trip, all the clothes, jackets, everything. And then I have this nice plain cover for the rucksack. So once the rucksack is packed nicely, I just put the rucksack in this cover, and this has a locking option as well. So I just put a TSA approved lock on this bag, and I can easily put this bag in the checked baggage. So another good thing about this bag is that if I want to carry my equipment, cameras and lenses, I can easily do so. So in that case, I simply use this camera cube that I have here, and this thing easily fits into the bag like this. So this bag is really good. I have carried it on so many trips, no complaints so far. Really happy with it. So I'll just move this aside, and right, so all that you see here is what I was carrying with me on the airplane. And now let's start with the things that I checked in. So I basically packed this tripod along with another one that I'm using right now to shoot this video in a hard case trolley. And whenever I pack my tripods, I always remove the ball heads and pack them separately with some cushioning around to protect it from these scratches, scuffs and any mishaps. So apart from these two tripods, I also checked in the LaCie backup RAID 1 solution. And this hard drive in itself is quite heavy. So I basically removed the drives, both the drives, and I was carrying these drives with me in the hand baggage that I'll show you later. So for this particular casing, I luckily had the original packaging with me, so I simply used the protection that comes along with it, like this. And then I simply put this hard drive in the hard case trolley again. And it was important for me to carry at least one RAID 1 solution with me with all the important data that I have. And the rest of the RAID 1 solutions are shipped along with the household stuff. So I'll keep this aside as well. And apart from these things, this is the last thing that I was carrying in the trolley, in the checked in luggage. So this is basically a multi-pin adapter and also a surge protector. And along with it, I always carry this travel adapter that has all the possible connections for different countries. So the advantage of carrying these two things is that, let's say whenever we travel anywhere, let's say to Europe, I can simply plug this into the wall, and then this thing attaches on this adapter, and then I have these many ports available for charging all my stuff. So from iPads, phones, MacBooks, so it takes care of everything. Right, so basically now all that you see here, I was carrying this stuff with me in the hand baggage, and this is an empty rucksack right now. So I was carrying the camera cube, which is right here, in this bag, along with the hard drives of the LaCie here, and also my GoPro and the GoPro stick. So all this stuff was packed very nicely in this rucksack. So all in all, I was basically carrying these 3 bags with me in the hand luggage. So now I think we can move to a tabletop, and I'll open the bags and show you what exactly I'm carrying in these bags. Okay, so let's start with the hard drives for the LaCie first. And by the way, this is not a specific bag to carry hard drives. I just used what was available at home that time. So let's open it. And oh, okay. So this is a toothbrush which was not supposed to be here, but this is what happens when you do the packing at the last moment. Right, so these are the hard drives, and I basically packed it in the lens covers. Being very careful with these. So this is what was there in the LaCie casing, RAID 1 solution. And again, similarly, this is the backup drive, same thing. And move on to the next bag. And by the way, I was quite skeptical that whether they would allow me to carry these hard drives in the hand luggage or not, but luckily no one questioned, and there was no issue at all carrying these hard drives in the hand luggage. So just in case if you're planning to do so, it's safe to carry. Okay, so coming to the camera cube now, and apart from the camera bags, I have also bought some camera cubes, and this one right here is the Peak Design medium camera cube. And the advantage of this is that the size is quite small, it is very compact, and yet it can carry a lot of equipment in it, and you can put this camera cube easily in most of the rucksacks. So let's open it. Okay, so there we have it. So I'm carrying basically 6 lenses and 2 camera bodies here. I'll just remove this so that you can see. And I'm also carrying my audio recorder. So this is the Sigma 105 macro lens f2.8. This right here is the 85 tilt shift 2.8 Nikon. This is the Zeiss 35 f1.4 Milvus. Again, this is Zeiss Milvus 50mm f1.4. And this is the Nikon 1635 f4. And another lens which is attached is the 70-200 f4 Nikon, and this is D850 and D800 right here. Apart from that, I also have the mics, the lavalier mic and the shotgun mics in this bag. So it can carry a whole lot of equipment, and I really like the quality of this bag. Really happy with it. So again, let's keep this aside. Okay, so coming to the camera bag here, and usually I use it to carry the cameras and lenses, but this bag cannot hold 6 lenses and 2 camera bodies. So this time I used it to carry the speed lights and all the accessories like charger, cables, remote shutters, batteries. So let's open it. And speed lights, if I missed that. So I'm basically carrying, I think, 6 speed lights in here, 6 Nikon speed lights, along with the cables nicely tucked in in these pouches like this. Also the camera cleaning kit, the memory cards, and if I open the top compartment here, I have the blower, gloves, tether cable, some remotes, and again extra batteries, chargers, cables. So basically all the accessories that are required for product photography are in this bag, essential accessories. And now coming to the last bag, which has the MacBook Pro, iPad, my Wacom tablet. So let's open it and see. And of course the headphones. So I'll just keep them aside. Then it has the iPad Pro along with the Apple Pencil. Of course the chargers for MacBook Pro, some hard drives, some hard drives and some USB-C connectors to attach this hard drive to the iPad. Okay, and in this pouch I have the keyboard, again some cables, all the cables for the headphones, the iPad, and charging the keyboard. I'm carrying all the Wacom pen nibs in this. And this is the Wacom tablet. So I luckily had this original packaging, again to avoid scratches on the surface here. And of course the MacBook Pro. So all this was nicely packed in this laptop bag. And I think I'll also show you one last thing, that how I carry my GoPro. So this is basically a G-Shock watch case. It's a metal tin case, and if you didn't know, you can very nicely fit in a GoPro in this case along with an extra battery and the charging cable. So I find it very convenient to carry GoPros in these metal cases. I mean, you can easily tuck it in anywhere in your luggage and nothing will happen to the GoPro. So this is pretty much how I packed my equipment for our move from India to Spain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I keep sharing behind the scenes of my commercial projects. This is Kunal signing off for this video. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.